Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best garden multi-tools that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're pruning, budding, or tackling other garden tasks, these tools are designed to make your life easier. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Kikkerland CD518 Pocket Trowel Multi-Tool. This premium option stands out for its unique design and elegant aesthetics. Made with a combination of stainless steel and beechwood, it's not just functional, but also a stylish addition to your gardening toolkit. The tool features 5 essential functions, including a trowel, weeder, saw, root remover, and pruning knife, all packaged into a compact and portable design. In terms of design, the Kikkerland impresses with its beechwood handle, which feels comfortable in the hand, and its stainless steel components that promise durability. However, the tool is best suited for light gardening tasks rather than heavy-duty work. Its compact size makes it highly portable, which is perfect for gardeners who like to carry tools around with ease. However, users have noted that the tools can sometimes feel stiff to unfold, and its smaller size may not be ideal for those with larger hands. This tool is a fantastic choice for gardeners who prioritize style and portability over heavy-duty performance. While it comes with a higher price tag at $19.80, it's a great gift option for garden lovers or new homeowners. That said, the limited functionality and customer rating of 3.7 stars indicate that it might not be the most versatile or durable option on this list. Coming in at number 4, we have the Zenport MFT45 Grafting, Budding, Pruning Garden 7-in-1 Multi-Tool. If you're looking for an affordable yet functional garden multi-tool, this is a solid contender. With its 7-in-1 functionality, this tool is designed for grafting, pruning, budding, and other essential garden tasks. It also comes with a handy belt clip carrying case, making it convenient to transport. The Zenport boasts high-quality steel blades, which are sharp and effective for a variety of tasks. However, its construction feels lightweight, which can be both an advantage and a disadvantage. While it's easy to carry, it doesn't feel as robust as some of the other tools on this list. Additionally, its compact design makes it portable, but the lack of ergonomic grip might make extended use less comfortable. At 8.6 ounces, it's lighter than most, but it still packs enough functionality for light to moderate gardening tasks. The Zenport is the ideal choice for those on a budget. At just $16.95, it's the most affordable option on our list, making it perfect for beginners or casual gardeners. However, its lower customer rating of 3.8 stars and slightly less durable build may be a trade-off for the low price point. If you're looking for an entry-level tool, this one gets the job done without breaking the bank. At number 3, we have the Bibury Gardening Hand Pruners, a 5-in-1 multi-tool designed for versatility and ease of use. This tool features garden pruners, a 1.46-inch knife, a wood saw, a hook, and a bark shovel, making it a great all-rounder for gardening tasks. The 420 stainless steel construction ensures the tool is tough, durable, and resistant to corrosion, while the ergonomic aluminum oxide handle provides a comfortable grip for extended use. What sets the Bibury apart is its lightweight, foldable design. Weighing just 8.9 ounces, it's easy to carry around, whether you're tending to bonsai trees, potted plants, or a large vegetable garden. The automatic rebound scissors are a thoughtful addition, allowing for smoother operation during pruning. However, one drawback is that the tool may not be suitable for heavy-duty tasks, as the lightweight design can sometimes feel less sturdy during use. With a customer rating of 3.8 stars, the Bibury multi-tool is a solid mid-tier option for gardeners who need a versatile, portable tool. It's ideal for light to moderate gardening tasks and offers excellent value for its multi-functionality. However, the lack of pricing information and its slightly lower durability compared to higher-end options are worth considering. Coming in at number 2 is the AccuSharp Hand Pruners, a 10-in-1 powerhouse that's perfect for gardeners who need a versatile and durable tool. This multi-tool includes a pruner, saw, knife, nail staple puller, ruler, file, and multiple screwdrivers, making it a true all-rounder for both gardening and outdoor activities. The stainless steel design ensures long-lasting durability, while the ergonomic handle provides comfort during extended use. One of the standout features of the AccuSharp is its compact and portable design. At 9.9 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for on-the-go gardening or camping trips. The pruners are sharp and efficient, capable of handling small branches, rose bushes, and shrubs with ease. However, the additional tools, while useful, can feel cumbersome to access quickly, which might slow you down during fast-paced tasks. With a customer rating of 4.4 stars, the AccuSharp is a reliable choice for gardeners who need a multi-tool that can handle a variety of tasks. While it's not the cheapest option on this list, its versatility and durable build make it a fantastic investment for serious gardeners and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the AccuSharp Pruning Shears, a 7-in-1 multi-tool that excels in both functionality and user satisfaction. This tool combines a garden helper, paring knife, wood saw, bark shovel, cross screwdriver, bottle opener, and can opener into one compact device. The high-quality hardened steel blades are sharp, durable, and resistant to rust, making this tool a reliable companion for a variety of gardening tasks. The AccuSharp stands out for its performance and ease of use. The one-button lock and unlock mechanism is intuitive, adding an extra layer of safety. This multi-tool is ideal for cutting branches up to 1 inch in diameter, trimming roses, shaping plants, and more. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during prolonged use, while the foldable design makes it easy to carry. At 11.3 ounces, it's slightly heavier than other options, but this adds to its robust feel. With an impressive customer rating of 4.7 stars, the AccuSharp Pruning Shears is the best choice for gardeners seeking versatility, durability, and high performance. It's perfect for both novice and experienced gardeners, and while the price is not listed, the quality and functionality make it a worthwhile investment. If you want a tool that can handle almost any gardening challenge, the AccuSharp is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.